I was wondering about your mama. Did she get that job she wanted? So that car that gave her problems. I'm just curious about her honest. Know you're wondering why I've been calling, like I got ulterior motives.